Hey everyone, welcome to my Tech Talk channel SmartBot Sphere. We will look more details on Power Automate in this video. Power Automate has two versions, cloud and desktop, but which one should we must use? In this video, I'll break it down in simple terms, so you know which is right for your task. If you're a beginner, this is the best place to start. Power Automate Cloud runs in your browser. It automates cloud apps like Outlook, SharePoint, and Teams, any applications via APIs called connectors, from anywhere, 24/7. Power Automate Desktop runs on your PC and automates web applications using web scraping method and desktop apps like Excel, SAP, or even Notepad using UI automation without help of any APIs. Use Cloudflow for things like saving email attachments, scheduling reminders, or syncing data across apps. Use desktop flows for clicking buttons, reading files, copying data, basically anything you do manually on your PC. Even we can run VBA or Python script from Power Automate Desktop. Power Automate Cloud flows can be triggered in three ways. Either automatically using automated Cloudflow and scheduled Cloudflow, or by manually using instant Cloudflow as needed. Desktop flows often run manually or get triggered by Cloudflow. To recap, Power Automate comes in two powerful flavors, cloud and desktop. Cloud flows run entirely online, while desktop flows execute on your local Windows machine. Triggers are another key difference. Cloud flows can start automatically when something happens, like receiving an email. Desktop flows are usually triggered manually or launched from the cloud. If you're working with cloud-based apps like Outlook, Teams, or SharePoint, cloud flows are the way to go. But if you need to automate desktop software, legacy systems, or simulate mouse and keyboard actions, Power Automate Desktop is your tool. Cloud flows require an internet connection, but they can run even when your PC is off. Desktop flows need your computer to be on and the app open. Think of it this way: cloud for web, desktop for local. And yes, they work better together. You can trigger a desktop automation directly from a cloud flow for full end-to-end automation. Both versions are included in many Microsoft 365 plans, with advanced features needing a license. So, choose the one that suits your workflow, or better yet, use both to supercharge your productivity.